Okay, magandang umaga din. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Today is our opening program for our Intramural 2023 school year 2023-2024. So maganda naman yung opening program. We started with a parade around the town. And then after the parade, we have the opening program, then followed by the presentation of the field demonstration. And then this afternoon, we'll be having our presentation of the power dance competition mamayang hapon. Then after those, we'll be having our sports competition, and that will be our Intramural 2020. We have our visitor from the Division of Maguindanao 2, Maguindanao del Norte, Sir Ariel Agaw-Agaw. He is our Division PES Coordinator. So with us is our teachers and staff. It starts today until December 7. First day is the opening of the program, then followed by the competition of the field demo competition, and then power dance competition. And then hopefully this afternoon, the sports competition for the junior high school will start. And for the senior high school, tomorrow will be the start of their sports competition. And idagdag ko lang din, we will be having our search for Miss PNHS, sponsored by the senior high school, come December 12 to be held at the municipal gymnasium. Yes, our message for our students is, yun na yung ini-instill natin sa ating mga estudyante. The purpose of this intramural is to select our students who will compete for the zone meet and the division meet, as well as the Barmaa. Inshallah, we can reach the palarong pambansa. Ang message natin sa kanila ay laro lang ito. We must instill our discipline and sportsmanship. To our teachers, wala naman problema sa ating mga guro dahil established na yung ating camaraderie, sportsmanship with them. Yes, the intramurals is open. If you can see that our gate, the gate 1 and gate 2 is open for the community to witness our intramural 2023. Yes, thank you din sa inyong lahat.